All right, y'all, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on pool equipment. This is a very basic system, but every single pool out there kind of runs just like this. You might have a heater, you might have a booster pump, you might have other suction ports for cleaners, water features, you might have automation, but it all is very basic. So here we go. You got your pump. You got your suction side, which is your skimmer and a main drain. This pool actually has two skimmers, but it runs on one side, and the other side's for the drain. So when I'm vacuuming or when you're going to vacuum, you can turn this valve to the off position, like so, and it turns off your main drain and it gives you more suction on your skimmer. Water comes into your system through the pump. Here's your pump lid with an O-ring, your pump basket on the inside. Runs through and up. If you have this on your system, this is to drain water, because this is a cartridge system, which you'll see in a second. Water comes out of the pump over to the filter. So this is a Jandy filter. It's got it's a Jandy quad filter, so it's got four cartridges in there, right? Just put brand new cartridges, so look at that. Gauge is great. We are still clean and low. Water comes out, out, into this chlorinator, which I like much better than the floaters in the pool, because kids can't get a hold of them. And you don't want kids handling chlorine in the floater because it's very corrosive, very bad for you. But most of my pools have them because they don't have this, and that's fine. Water comes out, and this pool has floor jets. It's a cleaning system with the jets that pop out of the floor every now and then and spin around and force the water down to the main drain. Okay, and then they also have a waterfall. So we've got this valve set three-quarter floor, and then a quarter of the waterfall. Now, if you have a water feature, keep in mind, if you always have it running, your pH will always be high. Always, because you're aerating the water. And you're going to have to keep adding muriatic acid to bring that down. So to stop that, you can turn it off, like so. Just have it off, and then when you're out enjoying your backyard, out in the pool, you flip it on for a little bit. But we are going to leave that on. It actually has been running, and pH is pretty good today, so that's the rundown for a basic system. Suction side, return filter side. Got any questions? Drop them down below. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.